Ever wondered what those tiny, green, briny little things are, often found in Mediterranean dishes? Well, today, we're demystifying the caper. Capers are actually the unripened flower buds of the caper bush, a prickly plant native to the Mediterranean region and parts of Asia. These bushes thrive in dry, rocky areas, often seen growing wild in stone walls or crevices. Once harvested, these tiny buds are sun-dried and then preserved. They're typically brined in salt water or vinegar, or sometimes packed in salt, which gives them their distinctive tangy flavor. This curing process is essential, as freshly picked capers are quite bitter. So, what do they taste like? Think salty, tangy, and a bit lemony, with a unique piquant flavor that's sometimes described as slightly pungent or olive-like. Smaller capers, known as nonpareils, are often considered the most delicate, while larger ones can have a more pronounced flavor. Capers are a culinary secret weapon. They add a bright, briny pop to countless dishes. You'll often find them in Mediterranean cuisine, enhancing seafood, chicken piccata, pasta sauces like puttanesca, or even in tartar sauce. They're fantastic mixed into salads, sprinkled over eggs, or used to cut through the richness of creamy dishes. From tiny buds to powerful flavor enhancers, capers truly elevate your cooking. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab a jar and add a burst of briny deliciousness to your meals. Subscribe to discover more fun.